Hello, I'm Vanessa Bishop, and I'm here to discuss my fourth reflection on the self-mentoring plan that I developed to increase movement while I'm at work. So I've completed stage 1, 2, and 3, and now I'm reporting on stage 4, which is self-monitoring stage. I love how Dr. Carr started this chapter with a quote from Helen Keller, because she is one of my idols as a special educator, her and her teacher, Annie Sullivan. Okay, so on page 103 of The Invisible Leader by Dr. Carr, she states that self-monitoring is the process of leading in the absence of any formalized structure. So what this tells me is that I need to see if the plan that I put in place originally is carrying over without me monitoring it by taking data. So what I've learned is that that I do need to be more aware of my movements during the workday. I become so engrossed with my job that I was not paying attention to how much I was moving. And then once I did start monitoring it, I found out that I was sitting twice as much as I was moving during the day. And that was a problem for me because I came from a job that was very physically involved. I also learned that because I become so engrossed that I wasn't able to just normally know that I wasn't moving, so I had to start implementing a plan where I changed my self-mentoring plan by increasing my movement by using a timer at work, and that helped me to know that every 2 hours I needed to get up and either stretch, do some movements that would increase my heart rate, or take a walk. I also realized while I was doing the self-mentoring program that I needed to be realistic with my goals, because when I first started the program, I thought that I could flip-flop it and work by sitting half the time as I moved. But once I got into the program, I found that it was not realistic, because my job is I do a lot of research and writing, and I found that I need to sit at my desk and work. So I reassessed that and learned that equal amounts of sitting and movement were appropriate, and I was actually very happy with how much I increased my movements by changing that in the plan. Next, I was concerned about losing productivity outcomes because, just taking time away from work to do something that wasn't directly related to work. But I found that I've actually been busier and had within the last month, we've actually increased our output of production. We have a full ongoing research study going, as well as we spoke at a partnership conference, and we also put on Robotism Rocks last Friday. And those were 3 very involved things that we put on through the center that I'm working for. So anyway, I found that I'm actually being more productive and able to still continue this program, which makes me very happy. My data also shows evidence that I'm happier and I feel less tired when I leave work. I did monitor that as well. And of course, just like Dr. Carr said in her book, sustainability is the key to self-monitoring. So I have been able to continue my program of movement during the workday without the structure plan of continuing to take data. I do continue to have my timer set so that I can just be sure that I don't miss a break from work to move. But what that tells me is that I have been able to embed this program into my day, and I've met the goals that I really wanted to meet regarding this. So because I've been able to do that, embed these changes into my routine, it proves that I am a successful self-mentor, and I've achieved this, and I've actually enjoyed the program. So, thank you very much.